to hard reset your Motorola signature by using the recovery mode, first of all, of course, we need to go to the recovery mode. To do so, we're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. And then once you open the power menu, there we go, we need to tap on restart. Once the restarting text disappears, press and hold volume down. And keep holding volume down until you go to the fast boot mode. You will definitely tell when you go into the fast boot mode, it looks like this. So once you are here, use volume up or down in order to change the selected option, and we are looking for the recovery mode. Once you have recovery mode written in here, use power button to confirm your choice. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds, and soon after that you will see an Android logo with no command text on the screen. There we go. So in this case you want to press power button, and once you hold power button, press volume up. So it's gonna look like this. There we go. Now we are in the recovery mode, and in this mode you can use, of course, volume buttons just like before in order to navigate. You want to select wipe data / factory reset and confirm with the power button. So go over here and then select factory data and reset, and once again confirm in order to perform the hard reset of the phone. If you go back to the main menu of Android recovery, you just want to restart your phone, so choose reboot system now and confirm with the power button as always. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.